स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस है। चैप्टर 5 है नेचुरल डिजास्टर। ये चैप्टर के आज आपको गिव रीजंस करवाऊंगी जो आपको करने हैं, ठीक है। नंबर 1, springs of hot water are found in the surroundings area of volcanic mountains। तो इसका आंसर आएगा volcano erupts in areas with the weaker part of land, therefore after once having erupted volcano cools down but heat and pressure keeps on arising from within. Rain water seeps into pores of rocks. Owing to the pressure from within, this water comes out as hot water. They are hot water springs. Thus, in the area surrounding volcanic mountains, hot water springs are found. नंबर 2 है सुनामी इज कॉल्ड डिवेस्टेटिंग वेव्स। तो आंसर आएगा सुनामी इज कॉल्ड बाय अर्थक्वेक्स हैपनिंग इन द इनर पार्ट ऑफ ओशियन। लिटल इफेक्ट इज फाउंड अराउंड द एपिसेंटर of the quake in the ocean, but owing to that the waves coming to the shore become as long as 700 to 1600 kilometer, as high as more than 30 meters, and they cause a great havoc since they cause great devastation of animals, people and immovable assets. They are called devastating waves. Next नंबर 3 है मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल ट्री शुड बी ग्रोन टू एनकाउंटर ड्रॉट। तो आंसर आएगा ओविंग टू स्कैरसिटी ऑफ रेन ड्रॉट्स आर कोज वेयर एवर देर आर लेस फॉरेस्ट ड्रॉट्स टेक प्लेस फ्रिक्वेंटली टू ड्रॉ ह्यूमिड winds to get rain. Trees should be grown in a large number. नंबर 4 है प्रोसेस ऑफ लैंड स्लाइडिंग इज फाउंड मोर इन द स्लोपी रीजन ऑफ द हिमालयाज। तो आंसर आएगा द हिमालय माउंटेन रेंज इज मेड अप ऑफ सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स ओइंग टू फिजिकल फैक्टर्स। रॉक्स इन माउंटेन एरियाज ब्रेक. These large pieces of rocks get vibrated following the pressure from under. Therefore, landsliding is found more in the slopy regions of the Himalayas. Number 5. There are frequent earthquakes in Kutch region. Kutch district of Gujarat has weaker land region. In that region, Asian plate and southern plate get looped together. On both these plates, there is continual pressure from north and south. Therefore, great vibrations are felt now and then. When the degree of these vibrations increases, it is earthquake. Answer the following questions in brief. Number 1, what is volcanic eruption? आंसर आएगा when the balance on the surface of the earth gets disturbed, hot magma, hot vapor, rock fragments, ash, etc. erupt out, breaking the weaker parts of the earth. This is called volcanic eruption. Before volcanic eruption takes place, the part of the land gets raised and converts into cone-shaped mountain. Then lava bursts out, breaking up the top part of the mountain. Next question है mention the advantages effects of volcanoes. तो आंसर आएगा advantages effects of volcanoes. 1 number lava erupting out of crater of volcano spreads on the land. This black and fertile land is very useful in agriculture. Number 2, from the land where lava is spread, minerals like potash, surokhar, sulfur, mercury, antimony, lead, tin, tungsten, etc. are found. Number 3, After the eruption is over, lava cools down in the tube. There is pressure on the carbon and graphites or diamonds are formed. Number 4, owing to volcanoes, springs of hot water emerge in the surroundings areas. The hot water heals many skin diseases. Number 5, the rocks mode of lava are useful in preparing granite or calcite ores. नंबर 4, when are cyclones cause? तो आंसर आएगा owing to some sudden transformations in pressures of air, somewhere on land or in the sea, low pressure of air is created. In that case, the air surroundings that area rushes to the low pressure zones with great speed and the winds along with heavy rain are blown. This is called cyclone. In India, such low pressure zones are created in the Bay of Bengal in the Arabian Sea. As a result, cyclones take place in the southern area. Number 5 है what is forest fire or wildfire? Now answer आएगा in thick forest owing to the blowing of strong winds. The branches of dry trees clash with one another frequently and because that friction, fire is created. The constantly blowing wind spreads that fire further to certain distances. This fire is known as wildfire or forest fire. Sometimes such wildfire or forest fire is caused owing to man-made mistakes too. Next है question number 4. What is earthquake? Owing to the internal landsliding and pressure, some weaker area of land feels sudden tremor. This accidental tremor is known as earthquake. Number 2, mention the types of earthquake. There are 3 types of earthquake. Volcanic earthquake. Number 2, waves created from the epicenter of the earth. Number 3, earthquake owing to the disturbance in the equilibrium of the surface of the earth. Next question number 3 है which are the main reasons of volcanic eruption? तो आंसर आएगा there are 4 main reasons of volcanic eruption. Number 1, high temperature in the interior of the earth. Number 2, creation of liquid magma. Number 3, creation of gases, any vapor. Number 4, drifting of magma towards earth's surface. Number 4, how many types of volcanoes are there? Which are they? तो नंबर आंसर आएगा there are 3 main types of volcanoes. Number 1, active volcano. Number 2, latent volcano. And number 3, dead volcano. Next question number 5 है what is tsunami? Owing to the eruptions of volcanoes at the bottom of oceans or owing to the earthquakes happening at the bottom, very powerful and devastating waves rise on the surface of ocean. These waves are called tsunami. They are very tall and of extraordinary length. Next, number 6, what is flood? Which are the reasons causing flood? The flowing of water with excessive force in rivers is called flood. There are 2 reasons of flood. Extreme rain in the higher regions of river. Number 2, breaking down of dam causes flood in the lower levels of river. Number 7 है question number 7, what is landslide? Owing to the heavy rain or owing to earthquakes, sometimes a mass of earth or rock slides down from a mountain or a cliff is called landslide. Next question number 8 है when is there drought? When there is no rain or less rain successively for 2 or 3 years, there is drought. Next, number 9, what is drought? Scarcity of food and water and drying away of water inside earth is called drought. Number 10 है, which are the geological events or which are natural disasters? आंसर आएगा, there are two types of natural disaster. Number 1, owing to the internal changes of the earth, earthquake, volcano eruption and tsunami are caused. Number 2, owing to external changes, flood, drought, cyclone and forest fire are caused. Number 11, what is the apparatus of the earthquake that measures the epicenter and intensity of quake called? तो आंसर आएगा, द apparatus that measures the epicenter and intensity of earthquake is called seismograph. Match the following properly. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, अभी इसके ऑप्शन ए और बी के बता देती हूँ. ए के गंगा एंड यमुना, बी मच्छू डैम, 3 तापी एंड 4 कोशी. तो इसके बी के ऑप्शन आएगा, ए मोरबी, बी बिहार, सी नॉर्थ इंडिया, डी सूरत एंड ई हैदराबाद. अभी नंबर 1 का आएगा गंगा एंड यमुना, सी नॉर्थ इंडिया, मच्छू डैम तो नंबर 2 ए मोरबी आएगा. नंबर 3 तापी, तापी कहाँ आएगा, डी सूरत. नंबर 3 कोशी, तो कोशी कहाँ आएगा, कोशी आएगा 4 बी बिहार. ये आपका क्या हो गया, मैथ द फॉलोइंग हो गया. अभी ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है. इसके जो मैथ द फॉलोइंग इनकम्प्लीट है वो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कराऊंगी. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है, खाली लिखना नहीं है. ठीक है, थैंक यू.